To create a magic ring, you've got the tail end of your yarn, wrap that around your finger twice, and then I like to pinch it with my thumb and my ring finger here. Insert your crochet hook underneath those 2 loops, grab the working yarn and pull it under, and then grab it again and pull it through that loop. Now you can take it off your finger and tighten that a little. Insert your crochet hook into the big opening, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. That is the first single crochet of your magic ring. They usually start with 6, so let's do 5 more. In through the big loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. We now have 6 single crochets that make up our magic ring. And you have these 2 loops here that are large. If you pull on both of these, one of them will start to move, and you can pull it to close the circle. Then you just pull the tail end of your yarn to pull that second one tight, and you have a finished magic ring. And for the start of your next round, you'll work into this stitch here. There you are.